What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Solana because once again this coin is forming pretty interesting trading setup that I want you to know about, and also for the past couple of weeks this coin is extremely bullish, and right now we are having here around like 17 to 18% discount from this current high. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And let's start with the main setup that I'm currently watching here. And the setup is this bullish triangle on the 1 hour chart. As I said in the intro, this coin is in the long time perspective in the heavy uptrend. So this triangle, I think there is a higher probability that the coin will continue up. But anyway, before I want to open here that long trade, I want to see here breakout and then support confirmation of this resistance. So the exact trade can then look, for example, like this. Stop loss in this case you can place somewhere back to this triangle, and if the breakout will happen to, for example, like somewhere around here, you can place your stop loss also just under this support of this triangle in case of there will be like something like an uptrend. So yeah, this will be definitely more safe. And your last take profit target you can place either under this current high, which will give you itself risk reward ratio 10.6, which is in my opinion really insane. So that would be probably the main take profit that I would choose for this trade. Or if you want to have even better risk reward ratio, you can aim here for the current all-time high, which is on the level 259, which will give you risk reward ratio around 25. But in my opinion, let's say speculating for like 50% of the net market's move with like 1.8% stop loss is really risky. So if you will take, let's say, this more risky setup, then definitely take at least some of the profits like under these previous highs, because there is pretty high probability that this coin can simply continue sideways and then with your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. But as I said, in my opinion, it will be better to speculate just for this current high, because itself it will give you risk reward ratio 10.5, which is like really good. Also with this second trading scenario is again important to take multiple take profit targets. So again, some of the profits you can take, for example, under like this high, then under this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 8.5, which is in my opinion really good for this scalp trade. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on these potential setups. To be honest, Solana is definitely one of the, let's say, best performing coins in the current bull market. And even if I think that there is high probability that the coin will continue go up, this is still a triangle, which is a neutral setup. So let's now talk about the short scenario. So if there will be breakdown and then resistance confirmation, it can be here a good opportunity to open here a short trade. Stop loss in this case you can again place above this resistance of this triangle. So again the stop loss will be, let's say, around 2.1%, and the last take profit target you can place above this order block, which can be, in my opinion, also really good opportunity for opening a long trade. But we will talk about this later. But this bullish order block is between levels 139.2 and 137.8. So with this short trading scenario, you can have here a risk reward ratio 8.6, and again it's important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take above this lows, then above this low, and then for example above this low, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 6.57. Again, this can be a really good setup. And in case of this another big drop, I'm watching here, as I said, this bullish order block, which can also be a good opportunity to open here a long trade. So if there will be breakdown, fake out, and then again support confirmation, I think that you can open here a really good long position. Stop loss in this case don't place just under this bullish order block, but under the low that we will create during the fake out. Of course, if the market will do, let's say, something like this, you can't have here like 7-8% stop loss. So yeah, let's take something under like 3%, and your last take profit target you can again place under this previous high, which will give you itself risk reward ratio like 21.8. So yeah, this setup is also quite insane. And again, it's important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take under this low, then definitely under like this area, because this will be really important resistance. So me personally, I would take here at least like around 30%, 40% of the entire trade, which will like slightly decrease your potential risk reward ratio, but also the trade will be much safer, because I think that the market can do simply, for example, something like this. So yeah, that's why I will want to take here a lot of profits, and then for example some of the profits under this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 21, if we will take large amount of the entire trade like here, then the risk reward ratio can be, let's say, around 12, 13, something like that, because to this resistance the risk reward ratio is around 7. So yeah, in the end it can be around like 12, 13. So yeah, definitely keep an also eye on this potential setup. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, so if you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, you can simply join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.